Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasni. Umantri rangba ka jila Meghalaya ukonrat ke sangma hagasni pale ulakranch kilat pathai khubor halor ka Jingjia ka dangshen haga jaka trekam janga Dhar company ha East Janti Hills district. Haba jubab iki jingkali jingkilat pathai khubor umantri rangba uloong bakun gini ki jait kam thombor ba ki jingpinsir kimla aban Shah ha kanu ka rukam ru. Ulapan syairu baka sorkar jela ke Shim ki habhai kini ka kam mat ula kentat ya ki jing keno badan kenu ka jing penyaso bat ki pat ba ne ka jing bamle jing kinong yalam pat ba. Klem dalit benya syapang ki jing tip bakerpang ukonrat ke sang mau loong bagi Pulit kila le kloi bha bat kila pelong ka jing tokit ka bajanai halor ka ne ka Jingjia. Ula pentip bagi bor Pulit kila yo ki jing tip baklan baka jing pynshisha ka babyang ban Shim ki senjam kat kum kaan. Ki Pulit klale kloi bha bat ngiladon ni ka jing pynshisha ka babyang ban ne halor gane ka Jingjia. Loong umantri rangba habaula benra ba on sa itu bat on le da ka an persha ya ki tuki badan kti ha gane ka kam. Ulong syuk bagi Pulit kan sa penpau pat ba ki jing tip bakam nya on da ka por ka biang namar ba ka jing tokit kelapoi sya ka kerdan ka babyang ba. Umantri rangba ulapan skambiang ya kajing IT lut jangka sorkar jela ban penting kena ya kajing ya dai kasuk kesan bat ban ai kajing shangan ya ki nong tray bat ki jaga khayi pateng ha ka leng jela Meghalaya.
On the Dhar company in East Janti Hills, and they have stated that they have done this attack because of the Deputy Chief Minister Shah's refusal to pay extortion. So, sir, how many politicians in Meghalaya are being served with demand notes by the HNLC?
That details I don't have with me, but earlier they were saying that he was paying, and now they're saying that he's not paying. So it's quite a bit of contradictory thing. But the point here is that that obviously this kind of things will not be tolerated by the government, and I don't want to go too much into details. But the police has made very strong links, and I should say they have come to the conclusion they have information enough to act on this incident, and with full evidence, and so therefore we will be I'm sure the SP will be sharing that with you tomorrow. I'm aware about it, but it's inappropriate for me to share. So action has been taken, police has been very swift, and we have enough to act on the information on the incident that has happened, and the individuals behind that will definitely be picked up.
What will be your